So here's another video using this tool right here, this balancing sheet for redox reactions. And again, you can find the link to this form down in the description of this video. So here we'll be balancing this dichromate reacting with iron 2, producing a chromic cation and iron 3. So the first step here is to divide the reactions into the half reactions. So we'll add the iron 2 and the iron 3. Then here we have the dichromate. Breaking down into the chromic cation. So then we balanced all the atoms. Step 2 is to balance all the atoms that are not hydrogen or oxygen. So it's just stoichiometry here. Since we have the 2 chromium on this side, we'll add the we'll add the 2 here to balance it. Then we balance the oxygen by adding H2O. So we'll be adding 7 because of the 7 H2Os, and that balances the oxygen. Then step 4 is to balance the hydrogen. So we'll add 7, and these are 2 molecules of hydrogen, so we'll add 14 hydrogens. To the reactant side. And you can see there's no oxygen or hydrogen on this first side, so we don't have to worry about that. But then now we get to step 5, where we start balancing electrons. So as you can see here, the products lost an electron, so we'll have to add it on that side. And we have to do a little oxidation balancing on this side. You have the 14 and the -2. Well, after some math, you find out that you end up having to add 6 electrons. To the reactant side. And so now that's balanced. For each half reaction, step 6 is to multiply by a number to make the electrons equal for each half reaction. So we have 6 on this side, so we have to multiply all this iron stuff by 6. And then we rewrite everything and put it together with everything from the reactants from both sides from the half reactions. So that's this side. Then we have to add this. That's all the reactants and the products. That's that. And that's that half reaction. Then step 7, we go through and we eliminate anything that's doubled on both sides. And in this case, it's just the electrons. I'm sorry, this is a should be a 6. And that cancels with the 6 electrons on this side. Then just rewrite it with the balanced equation. And that is the complete balanced equation.